Good afternoon. So today I'll be presenting my What's Up Wednesday project. It is an article titled Scientists Aiming to Tackle Cancer Through Molecular Jackhammers, written by Andrea Leinfelder. Don't mind if I keep looking over here because I don't know how to pronounce the news. Leinfelder. And published by San Antonio Express News. So, in this article, Leinfelder looks to, or her purpose for writing this article is to inform the reader about a groundbreaking discovery which is used to combat cancer. Now, this groundbreaking discovery is referred to as molecular jackhammers, which is basically a string of molecules bonded together which spin at trillions of times per second when stimulated by infrared lighting. And throughout the article, Leinfelder basically just talks about the research that is occurring at Rice University. But while she does that, she maintains a logos approach. She maintains a logical approach to the topic, very unbiased. It doesn't really appeal to emotions. I didn't sense much of that. But as a reader, I can definitely tell you, she utilizes logic a lot. She utilizes data, statistics, some of which being the statistics that she brought up were how they tested these molecular jackhammers on isolated melanoma cancer cells, and it worked with 99. It was 99% efficient, and they've tested it on rats or mice, as they use in the passage. They tested it on mice, and they found it to be it was effective for more than half of the mice. It cured them of cancer. So, also another rhetorical strategy that she uses imagery. She used a lot of imagery when it came to describing how these jackhammers were like, because when you think of microscopic jackhammers, it's kind of hard to imagine that, but she does a great job with explaining or connecting imagery to the description. And she does that by basically stating how these jackhammers are roughly 100,000 times smaller than a strand of human hair, which is mind-boggling to me. And she uses logos and imagery. Now, my response to this is, coming from someone whose family has been deeply affected by the wretchedness of cancer, reading this article gave me a positive outlook on cancer treatment and in the future of cancer research. So, basically, cancer is a disease that's a mystery to us. However, research and development has resulted in the creation of new pharmaceuticals that can treat certain types of cancers. And these certain types of cancers that have not spread throughout the body, such as like tumors, melanoma. There's so many different variants. It's really hard to pinpoint one. And so you can, a lot of these treatments out there, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and surgery, these work fairly well. And to hear that now this new molecular jackhammer is now on the horizon for a new cancer treatment, it's very interesting. And I know that it'll take years, months, maybe years till we finally are able to test it on humans. Because we've tested it on mice, but there's a big transition period from testing it from rodents to actual humans. But I believe that my stance on this, or my position on this article, is that yes, these molecular jackhammer studies and research should be funded more, which is why Ayala Orozco is looking for. He signed I think it was a position for grants in order to pursue the research. And my position on this is basically, even though it takes months and years to make the transition from rodents, they should pursue it, and I hope that they will. And it actually looks like they will. Given the advancements of the study in the future, it does not seem too far out of an idea for this experimental cancer treatment to become a viable and all-around effective cure for cancer. I believe that this will be the future of cancer treatment. And as Leinfelder explained in her article, she believes so as well. Thank you very much. And that's it. Thank you.